Math Kids Learn Episode 8. Hi friends, ready to learn and solve some fun math problems? Let's get started. What is 6 divided by 2? You're right. Your answer is correct. Tom has 6 stars, and he wants to share them equally between himself and his friend. How many stars will each of them get? Let's count together. First, we give 1 star to Tom and 1 star to his friend. Then another star to both of them, and 1 more star each. Now Tom has 3 stars, and his friend also has 3 stars. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Are you ready for the next question? What is 8 divided by 4? You're right. Your answer is correct. Sarah has 8 stars, and she wants to share them equally with 4 friends. How many stars will each friend get? Let's count. We give 1 star to each of the 4 friends. Then, we give 1 more star to each of them. So, each friend gets 2 stars. That means 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Are you ready for the next question? What is 9 divided by 3? You're right. Your answer is correct. Jack has 9 stars, and he wants to share them equally with 3 friends. How many stars will each friend get? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3 stars for each friend. So, each friend gets 3 stars. That means 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Are you ready for the next question? What is 10 divided by 2? You're right. Your answer is correct. Lily has 10 stars, and she wants to share them equally with 1 friend. How many stars will each of them get? Let's count. If we split the 10 stars into 2 groups, each group gets 5 stars. So, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Are you ready for the next question? What is 12 divided by 4? You're right. Your answer is correct. Emma has 12 stars and 4 friends to share them with. How many stars will each friend get? Let's count. Each friend gets 1 star, then another star, and finally 1 more star. So, each friend gets 3 stars. That means 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, come again.